Their new dynamic consent and intake forms, you can now create fully customizable forms that match your practice's needs. Send them to patients electronically and have them automatically saved in the patient's chart. To see this feature in action, let's go to HelloNote, go to Settings, and then click on Consent Intake. And then let's create a dynamic form. Now you have two options to choose from. Either create a consent form or an intake form. So let's try a consent form first. So as you create a consent form, let's drag a content. And let's give this a title. Let's say, for example, this is going to be a telehealth consent form. Let's label this content as the title. And then let's make this a header of 1 to make it bigger. It could also still make it bigger by selecting on the font sizes. So let's make this huge. Let's put this on the center. I could put in the name of the clinic. And let's make this header 2. Let's make it a bit bigger. And let's say this would be the header of your form. You could add another content. So this time around, let's add fields to get patient information. Let's Lego this patient info. Let's put them say. Let's add another one. Let's give this such other name, consent for telehealth services. So this could be header 2. Let's add a couple of checkboxes. So let's replace these check marks with just boxes for patients to check. Say, add another one. I think this heading 2. Let's give it an appropriate label. Again, let's change these to checkboxes. You could either add individual touches for each items, or you could add all the items in one section, and in one content box. So let's continue editing this by selecting the correct hierarchy for the headers. Or probably I'll have to put this on a different structure. Surface keys, let's change this to icons. Click save. So as you can see, our consent form is looking good. Oops, let's try to edit that. Could just copy these checkboxes. Then change all the other checkbox with a blank box. And then quick save again. And then let's add signature. Save. So our form is looking good. And let's click on save. And let's view the consent form. Underneath, you'll see the preview of how the consent form would look like. And there you go. That's usable. And that's how you create a consent form with HelloNote's Dynamic Forms feature.